guys, Michelle here from Supply with our continuing series on how to apply and use our medical products.
If you want to know how to put on the Breg, Kodiak, IntelliFlo pads, you came to the right spot. We're going to show you how to do it fast and easy, step by step. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and all the links to everything we mentioned in the video, where you can find linked in the description box below. Let's jump right into it. Cold therapy is an awesome way to help relieve your pain and swelling after surgery, injury, or just a hard day of being a weekend warrior. So how do we properly use the cold therapy device? Well, I'm going to show you the proper way to do it end to end. And once we're done, I'm going to show you the #1 trick to help make your cold therapy experience easier. All right, how do we do this? Michelle, take us through the steps of the application of the Breg, Kodiak, IntelliFlo pads.
The first thing we need to do is make sure that the pad and the part number are correct. You would do this by looking at the front right corner of the pad where the part number will be listed on the white label. Notice this is a sealed bag, and once the sealed bag has been opened, it cannot be returned. You will be getting a flyer with your pad that shows the different connectors. The Cube and Kodiak systems have different connectors. So please be sure to make sure that you order the correct pad. The other item you're going to get is a skin warning flyer. You never want to put the cold pad directly on your skin, as it could cause some damage or some frostbite. And the universal protocol for cold therapy is 20 minutes on, 20 minutes off. Also, please make sure to check with your doctor for any other instructions while you're using the cold therapy device, just to be on the safe side. To protect your skin, we sell sterile pads for each cold therapy pad on our website. You can also use a thin towel or t-shirt, but please don't put the pad directly on your skin. They come in a sealed package, and this is how you apply them. First, you open the sealed package and remove the sterile dressing. Once you open it up, you're going to see there are tabs. You need to remove these tabs in order to stick it in the pad. Once the tabs are removed, you're ready to stick it onto the pad, making sure it's fully covered, and then you're ready to apply the pad. So now we're going to show you how to apply the Kodiak hip pad, but before we do that, we need to get our straps in place. So the pad comes with these Velcro pieces. Now, if you're going to apply the pad to the left side of the body, you're going to want to put the pieces on this side. If you're going on the right side, you will put them here. And as you can see, there are some outlines showing you where to place the Velcro tabs. Once you've done that, you can attach your straps. Now, the top strap for the hip pad is very long, so we've actually cut ours to make it fit our body better. Once you've done that, you can attach it to the Velcro piece, and then once they're both in place, you're ready to put it on your hip. So now that we have our straps and our sterile dressing in place, we're ready to apply the pad to the hip. So make sure the larger part goes over the hip area. Bring that strap around. Then we're going to bring the other strap around the thigh. And of course, you can loosen or tighten them to make it fit comfortably. Then we're going to take the hose on the pad and connect it to the hose on the cooler. Make sure you press down your metal tab before you connect. Once you fasten them in place, you should hear that click. That lets you know that it's secured properly. Then you're ready to take your power supply, plug it into your cooler, and you're ready to begin your therapy.
Great job, Michelle, in showing us how to do that. As I mentioned earlier in the video, I'm going to show you our #1 trick to help make things easier for you. We have freeze bags that you can use in the cooler, and they come in packs of 12. You place 3 in the cooler and the rest in the fridge, and then you just keep rotating the bags. This way, especially if you're alone, you don't have to keep chasing after ice, and your refrigerator will have a really hard time keeping up anyway. Now that you know how to use your cold therapy machine, Let me know in the comment section below if you found this video helpful, and do give us a like, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and let's get back to living.
Thanks for following, and as always, if you have any questions or concerns, shoot us an email at cs@supplypt.com or give us a call at 1-844-505-8144, Monday through Friday between the hours of 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. Eastern Time.